Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be exploring the top 10 heart-healthy diets that are sure to keep your heart in excellent shape. It's time to prioritize your cardiovascular health and make positive changes to your eating habits. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of heart-healthy diets. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for a long and fulfilling life. In order to achieve this, adopting a heart-healthy diet plays a vital role. Let's discover the top 10 heart-healthy diets and understand how these can benefit your cardiovascular health. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its heart protective benefits. With its emphasis on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats like olive oil, this diet is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. Numerous studies have shown its effectiveness in reducing the risk of heart disease, improving cholesterol levels, and promoting overall heart health. The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is specifically designed to control high blood pressure. By focusing on fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, lean proteins, and whole grains, this diet helps lower blood pressure levels, reduces the risk of heart disease, and improves overall heart health. A plant-based diet primarily revolves around plant foods, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. This diet is packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. Studies indicate that a plant-based diet may lower the risk of heart disease, decrease LDL cholesterol levels, and promote weight loss. The Ornish diet is a low-fat, plant-based approach aimed at improving heart health and reversing heart disease. By emphasizing whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and low-fat dairy products, this diet helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, normalize blood pressure, and enhance overall heart function. The Nordic diet, inspired by the eating habits of Scandinavian countries, is rich in heart-healthy foods. Including fatty fish with omega-3 fatty acids, berries, whole grains, and root vegetables, this diet is associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease, improved cholesterol levels, and lower blood pressure. The Therapeutic Lifestyle Changes (TLC) diet is a cholesterol-lowering diet recommended by the American Heart Association. By promoting the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products, this diet helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, decrease the risk of heart disease, and maintain a healthy heart. The flexitarian diet, flexible and plant-based in nature, encourages individuals to consume mostly plant-based foods while allowing occasional inclusion of lean meats or fish. By focusing on whole foods, it increases intake of key heart-healthy nutrients, reduces the risk of heart disease, and promotes weight management. The Weight Watchers diet aims at promoting weight loss through a well-balanced approach. By encouraging portion control, including a variety of fruits and vegetables, and incorporating lean proteins, this diet helps individuals improve heart health, reduce the risk of heart disease, and manage weight effectively. A gluten-free diet eliminates gluten-containing grains such as wheat, barley, and rye. While primarily beneficial for individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease, it can also indirectly contribute to heart health. By opting for naturally gluten-free grains, fruits, and vegetables, one can maintain a well-rounded, heart-healthy diet. A low-sodium diet focuses on reducing the intake of sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and heart disease. By emphasizing fresh fruits, vegetables, and flavoring meals with herbs and spices instead of salt, this diet helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels and promotes heart health. There you have it, our top 10 heart-healthy diets. Incorporating these diets into your lifestyle can lead to a stronger, healthier heart and better overall well-being. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Thank you for watching, and we hope these heart-healthy diets help you embark on a journey towards a heartier life.